Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya akan menjelaskan the usage of modal in request word. Dalam bahasa Inggris, modal verb atau kata kerja modal adalah kata kerja bantu yang digunakan untuk menyampaikan makna seperti kemungkinan, izin, kemampuan, kewajiban, dan permintaan atau request. Berikut adalah penjelasan mengenai the usage of modal verbs in request word yang mencakup modal seperti can, could, would, may, dan might. Yang pertama itu can. Can itu permintaan informal atau percakapan sehari-hari. Penggunaan can adalah modal yang paling umum dan sering digunakan untuk meminta bantuan atau izin secara informal, terutama dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Contoh dari penggunaan can itu, can you help me with this? Terus yang kedua, can I borrow your pen? Penjelasan menggunakan can itu dalam permintaan menunjukkan tingkat formalitas yang rendah dan sering digunakan antara teman, rekan kerja, atau keluarga. Yang kedua itu could. Could itu permintaan yang lebih formal atau sopan. Penggunaan could itu adalah bentuk lampau dari can, namun lebih sopan dan sedikit lebih formal dalam konteks permintaan. Contoh dari could itu ya adalah could you pass the salt please. Yang kedua itu could I leave a bit earlier today. Penjelasan dari could mencerminkan sopan santun dan perhatian terhadap orang lain. Biasanya dipakai dalam situasi formal atau ketika kita ingin menunjukkan penghargaan terhadap orang yang kita mintai bantuan. Yang ketiga itu would, permintaan yang sangat sopan atau formal. Penggunaan would digunakan untuk membuat permintaan yang lebih halus dan menunjukkan kesopanan tingkat tinggi. Contoh would itu adalah would you mind closing the door? Yang kedua itu would you help me with my project? Penjelasan tentang would itu lebih kesopan daripada could dan menunjukkan perhatian lebih terhadap kenyamanan atau persetujuan orang yang dimintai bantuan. Biasanya digunakan dalam konteks profesional atau formal. Yang keempat itu may, permintaan yang sangat formal atau resmi. Penggunaan may itu sering digunakan dalam permintaan yang sangat formal atau resmi, terutama dalam konteks kerja atau permintaan izin yang lebih serius. Contoh dari may itu adalah yang pertama itu may I speak with the manager please. Yang kedua, may we enter the room now. Penjelasan dari may itu menandakan tingkat formalitas yang tinggi dan seringkali digunakan dalam percakapan yang lebih profesional. Yang kelima itu mic. Mic itu permintaan sangat sopan yang jarang digunakan. Penggunaan mic dalam permintaan jarang digunakan, tapi bisa menyampaikan kesopanan yang ekstrim dan menandakan ketidakpastian atau keraguan. Contoh, may I ask a question? Yang kedua, might you assist me with this? Penjelasan mic itu digunakan dalam situasi di mana pembicara ingin berhati-hati dan mempertimbangkan perasaan orang lain. Namun karena kesopanannya yang ekstrim, penggunaannya dalam permintaan sangat jarang, kecuali dalam situasi yang sangat formal atau ketika ingin menunjukkan kerendahan hati. When we went to ask for things, order at a restaurant, invite people to meeting or to our home. Make offer, we use modals of request. We use modals to make request sound more polite. In English, making the request short and direct is considered quite impolite. It's much better to use a longer version of the request by using modals of request so that the request is less direct and therefore considered more polite. Lend me some money itu adalah contoh dari direct request. Could you lend me some money, please? Itu contoh indirect request. There are four basic modal of request that we use. Can, will, could, would, and may. More itu would. Formal itu could. Less itu will. Formal can. We use the modal first will and can in less formal situation, whereas we use would and could in more formal situation. Would you open the window? Would you pass me the potatoes? Will you lend me some money? Can I borrow your pen? We form affirmative question by placing the modal first, then the subject of the question, and finally the verb in its best form, modal plus subject plus verb, or in best form. Contohnya itu ada would you like something to drink, terus could you take a look and at homework, will you give me my money back, and can you buy me a soda? Would you mind? Would you mind plus verb in. When we went to make a polite request in English, we can use the phrase would you mind? Contoh would you mind? Would you mind passing the dead book? Would you mind turning down the TV? Yang ketiga itu would you mind buying more quiet? Yang keempat, would you mind shutting the window? You can also use the phrase do you mind? However, this phrase is less polite than would you mind. Do you mind? Contoh do you mind tuh ada do you mind closing the door? Please, when using modal of request, we can place itu please either after the subject or at the end of the sentence to make the sentence more polite. Contohnya itu ada would you please shut the door? Would you shut the door please? Could you please take our order? Could you take our order please? Can you pass me the paper please? Can you please pass me the paper? Will you lend me some money please? Will you please lend me some money? Negative question. If when using modals of request we'd like to ask someone not to do something, we can place not before the verb. Contohnya itu ada would you not speak so loudly? Could you not smoke her? Will you not spend all the money? Can you not make so much noise? Answering requests. We can answer requests using short answer have a very simple structure. To answer affirmatively, we use yes, and then we add the appropriate subject pronoun and the modal verb. Can or will to give a negative reply. We use no appropriate subject pronoun and modal verb cannot. Contohnya itu ada would, or could, or can, or will you come with me to the store? Jawaban dari pertanyaan itu ialah yes I can, yes I will, yes I cannot, no I won't. You can also answer using won't, but it's considered very impolite. To make a refusal sound more polite, you can add I'm sorry to the answer. Contohnya itu ada I'm sorry but I can. Other possible affirmative answer. Would or could or can or will you come with me to the store? Jawabannya itu ada yes, yes, certainly, yes, of course, I had be happy to, sure, okay, no problem, yes, sure, of course. Other possible negative answer. Would or could or can or will you come with me to the store? Jawaban dari negatif answer. No, no, I'm sorry, sorry, I cannot, I had like to, but I can. It's important to remember that some people don't like to say no. For example, British people may be less direct when refusing a request. Well, I'm not sure. Actually, maybe not at the moment. Actually, I had preferred to stay at home. Making offer. When we offer to do things, we use the modal verbs can, would, could, and may. Contohnya itu ada could I offer you a beverage? Can I bring you something to drink? May I take your order? Would you like a beverage? Invitation. When we invite someone to our home to do something, we use would or like, could, will, or can. Contohnya dari invitation, would you like to come over tonight? Would you come early? Will you come to the movies with us? Can you come home early tonight? Ordering food. When the waiters went to ask us about our preference, he all used the phrase would you like. Contohnya itu ada would you like sauce with that? When ordering at a restaurant, we can use the following phrases. I would, contohnya itu ada I would like, I can have, I have, I'll have. Contoh kalimatnya ada I would like the fish. Can I have the beef? I'll have the chicken. Okay. Terima kasih, itu penjelasan dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan ini untuk webnya.